The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about email marketing. Okay, at first let's understand this. What is an email marketing? Okay, so email marketing is a part of digital marketing by which you can advertise your or someone's business, product or service to target customers, achieve sales and earn profit. For setting up a long-term business, we should better work on email marketing. That how to set this up and how exactly this email marketing work. Now if you know, I have already shared with you guys a lot of different tools that you can use to send bulk amount of emails from your computer, but using those tools sometimes we faced critical errors, and the reason behind this, it's our IP. Yes, the IP we used to send those emails from our computer. Sometimes for sending a lot of emails we get just blocked from the receiver's IP or from ISP. Now to prevent this problem, here comes the use of proxies. You will find a lot of proxy sources online, and even in my channel you will see I shared with you different type of proxy source, but personally most of the time I used AWMProxy. So AWMProxy is the fastest anonymous proxies provider, free and paid both. It's one of the premium handy proxies I have ever used. You can get quality proxies from here. What you can use for those email sender tools for mailing. Using the proxies you can create and manage multiple social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the same time from same place. If you want to go for the paid ones, so you can add fund here with all possible transaction platforms like Mastercard, Bitcoin, PayPal, WebMoney, etc. Now, not only for mailing and social account management, you can use these proxies for testing different kind of tools, download from online, visit blocked websites, doing surveys, increasing net speed, SEO optimization, creating Gmails as well. The service of website security part is also good. For more information, you can check out their FAQ section, and if you face any trouble, just get a ticket and their support will guide you instant to solve that problem. You can add extension of their API from Google Chrome Web Store for easy control panel. If you want to use these proxies for your professional business, so you can find out there are 4 different packages you can get from here. Each of the package carrying more than 10,000 proxies for using. Check out the link in the video description, or you can just simply Google. So now here today we're going to see that how we can send up to 2.5k emails per day. So let's see. Before we start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group and share to get daily updates. At first here we are required to visit the site called center.net, and this site will allow us to send up to 2.5k emails per day free, and they have some email automation system, and you can find out all the automation information that what you can use in their service. And if you just scroll down, and there you will see that they have 2 different packages, but here you can use the free for lifetime. You can send up to 2.5k emails per day without purchasing any. So let's try to register on the site. So click on the register for free, and now it will load and give you a form to fill up. So here you have to fill up with your information and then click on next. After that you have to save your information, personal information, and now you have to complete one by one all of this form. Now I am here confirming all the email address that I used for signed up. So you can see here the email I got verification. So I just complete this. Now here they are asking to add a domain. So if you don't have any domain, so not matter, you can just skip that part here. Now you can import your contacts here. So I have already collected my targeted audience email. So if you don't know that how to get your targeted email audience, so you can check out my YouTube playlist of email marketing, and you will see there are videos that how I showed you guys that how to collect targeted subscribers emails. So you'll get their emails and names here, what I'm going to upload here. So I am going to upload it in Excel sheet, and you can see that I have uploaded the file, and then you have to create a group here. So create any group you want, as I am showing you it for demo purpose. So I just create a one demo email group, and now then create on next, and after that you will have to create a campaign for sending emails. Now for the first time it will show that your emails are not active, but when you send emails it will show you that all the emails are active. Now in your campaign you have to give a name for your campaign and subject. So you have to give your subject line, and don't forget to add the first name here. So every time this software send emails to your subscribers, it send separate subject line to your receiver anyway. So here you have to add a custom business domain email. Without having a domain email you can't use this service. So get a email or get a hosting and get a business mail. So in my previous videos I have already shown you guys that how to get free domain. So here I am going to use the Yahoo business mail. I just registered in couple of months ago, I think. Now here I'm going to get a business mail from their service what I'm going to use. So you can see that I am in my business mail, and here I have to active that business mail for their confirmation. You can see that we are now verified. They just accept our domain. Now you can set here second mail. If they don't open your first campaign mail, so you can send them this software will send auto mail to them. Now you will get multiple email templates what you can use for sending your campaign. Now if you don't like your email templates, you can just click on blank and create your own email templates for your business. So this is also a great email template editor tool. It's just a drag and drop. You can drag and drop your text and images you can upload from your desktop and make a fully raw email template, and you can send it to your subscribers. So you can see here I just create a new email template for my YouTube video what I'm going to send those targeted subscribers. So here I just get a link of that video what I'm going to share with them, and here I add that image, and in the image link I will share with that video link, and then go for save and continue. And if you want you can just create here give here your social account information, and you can give here a video demo or any product you can add here from your website, and you can do a lot of different things here. But for make it simple I just go with this one, and then click on save and continue and go for send my emails. So you can see I have to select my group here, and as my group is selected, now I am going to send all those emails to my subscribers. So just send all those emails here. Now it will warn you to set these errors, so you can leave it, but if you want you can just set it up in your control panel and then click on send, and it will send your campaign. So after this campaign sent, you will get a report in your dashboard. Okay, so This way you can get up to send up to 2.5k emails per day. And here you will see all the reports here, how many emails you send and how many open rate you get. So this is a complete email marketing tool package you can use for your business. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.